This is the Sony HVL-F28RMA flash. It's a flash built by Sony with a hot shoe adapter, so it actually uses the data from the camera in terms of when to fire based on shutter speed and all those things. You can put it on automatic. You have all these modes right here, the levels, the testing, the pairing, and if you want it to be actually wireless, you can also put this piece right here, and now bada bing, bada boom. You have legs for it, so you can go ahead and place this on a surface, angle it. You have 0 degrees, 20 degrees, 40 degrees, 60 degrees, 80 degrees, and even 120 degrees in terms of the angle depth for the flash. You can just place it on the ground if you'd like to flash it in certain directions off the wall, turning it on. I might have actually killed the battery now that I think about it. It should be off. You have the pairing modes. It uses 2 AA batteries, which we actually don't have, so we need to acquire those so the batteries aren't dead. Slide this bad boy off. It's got a hot shoe cover. You can see the digital mounts right there. Go ahead and cover that bad boy. And then I did purchase this mag mod thing to diffuse the light a bit more, and it has magnets on each side, so you actually want to stretch this on. I really bought this for like family photos. It even has this thing that actually comes out, diffuser reflector that you can use too. But I think the mag mod makes it easier to have more diffused light. This is the diffuser that goes over it. You go ahead, snap it on, bada bing, bada boom, and now it just works so well. Like, look at that. You can magnetize it on. It's got a little bit of a gap there, but it works. This is the Sony flash. We've been using it. I'll use it for photos, but nothing more really. When you plop this on your camera, take some photos. I'll have a link for it down below. Click that link. It'll help support the channel. See you in the next one. Peace.